So first, let's move back to our task class. So here we have the render, and here we render the view. So we need to send also, so not here but here. So we need to send also the tasks. So let's add task here, tasks, and use the models task, and we get the latest tasks, and we use simple paginate. So we can paginate, or we can use pagination. Okay, so paginate, and we give it 3. Okay, so we will display 3 tasks by page. Okay, simple paginate. And to use the pagination, we need to add also here, so in top of our class, so we need to use with the pagination. Okay, and don't forget to import it here, so this class, and here let's add the semicolon. So now you can paginate the data using simple paginate. Okay, so next, what we need now, we need to display our tasks. So inside task.blade.php, so here we display tasks list. Okay, so let's add so here let's add a card, and inside card we have another div with card body, and inside card body let's add the list with the class list group, and also inside, so we need to loop through each task, and we get task, so here tasks with s and as task, and once we have each task, so let's add the li, and inside li we have also a class which is list group item, and we need also to display everything, or let's add deflex and justify content to between, and also align items to the center. Okay, so now we have the list group, and inside each group item, and inside each item we can display the body, and you can use p tag, and inside p tag let's display the body. So you can use here the task body. Okay, so let's save and see. So if we refresh the page, so as you can see, we have 2 tasks here. We have first one and second one. So now we need to add here a drop down menu. Once we click on this menu, so we display 2 links, one for editing and one for deleting. Okay, so let's move and add another div inside, and this div will take the class drop down and ms auto, and inside class we have e tag with the icon fast or only fa and solid, and fa and ellipsis vertical. Okay, and inside the icon, so not inside icon but inside the drop down div, we will have also a list, and this list will have the class which is drop down, menu. Okay, and inside the menu, so you will have another list item. Let's add it and give it class drop down item. Okay, and inside the drop down item we will have another icon. Let's copy from here and paste it here, and icon will be for editing. So let's use fast for edit and give it text of warning. And what else we need? So we need or let's add span, and so let's add span instead of li. Let's add span here and give it class drop down item. Let's add span and add drop down item, and inside we need to add the icon. Okay, so now we have the first icon for editing. We need the second one for deleting. Okay, let's copy the same thing and paste it here, and change the icon here from edit to trash and the text to danger. Okay, so let's save and refresh. And as you can see, we have here two drop down menus, but once we click it's not working, so we have something wrong. Let's check what is wrong. So here we did not inside the icon we did not add, thus this icon will open the drop down menu. So let's add data bs toggle, and we say that this icon will open the drop down. Okay, so let's save and refresh. So let's click here. So as you can see, we have edit and delete, and also once we click here. Okay, so before we move to the next, let's fix something. So once we put the cursor over the ellipsis icon, so we don't see so we need to have the cursor as pointer, so the user knows that he can click on this menu. So to do that, let's add here style and give the cursor pointer. So save, let's refresh the page. So if we hover over the cursor or hover the ellipsis, so now we can see the cursor is pointer. Okay, so let's move to the next. So the next we need, once we click on update, so we need to fill the form with task that the user wants to update.